Welcome to the Python webinar. I'm Ivan Sunisha Purnima from Life Changers Academy. Today we are going to discuss how to create a simple GUI calculator in Python using Tkinter. So before getting into the video, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more learning updates. Python offers multiple options for developing GUI, that is the graphical user interface. Out of all the graphical user interface methods, Tkinter is the most commonly used method. It is a standard Python interface to the TK GUI toolkit shipped with Python. Python with Tkinter is the fastest and the easiest way to create GUI application. Here I use the Tkinter package to develop a simple calculator program in Python with graphical user interface. There are four main steps are used to create a graphical user interface application using Tkinter. The first one is to import the Tkinter function into the program. The next is to create the main window. The third thing is to create the sub-windows to design components. And the fourth thing is to perform operations. So to perform the functions with Tkinter, first you have to import the Tkinter package in Python ideally. Here I just used from Tkinter import asterisk to import the Tkinter function. Then to create the main window, Tkinter offers a method tk and I assign it in cal variable. So cal equal to tk of. Next, I just mention the width and the height of the window using the geometry function. Cal.geometry of 312 by 324. Then I assign the term resizable to 0 just to prevent platform responsiveness. So cal dot resizable of 0 comma 0. Then I just set the title of the window as calculator. Cal dot title cal. So now I'm just going to code it in my Python IDLE. I'm using the Windows OS. First I'm going to import the Tkinter package. So from Tkinter import asterisk. Then I'm just going to create a window. So scal equal to T, capital T, small k, and the function. Then cal dot geometry of 312 by 324. Then I just assign the term resizable as 0. So 0 comma 0. Then I'm just setting the calculator title as calculator. Then, to display the input, I created a new compartment using the frame function. The input will be a string variable in Python. So we have to declare that at first. Input text equal to string var of. That's variable of. Now I'm going to create a display space inside the calculator. Here I assign a term input frame to design the display space. Inside the input frame, I just declare its width, height, border, highlight background, highlight color, and the highlight thickness. And I use a frame widget to create a frame for the input field. Inside the input field, I just declare its font size, font style, text variable, width, background, border, and the alignment as right. iPadding is the internal padding that increases the height of the input field. So inside the input field dot pack, I just declared the iPad equal to 10. Now let's code it on Python IDLE. So first I'm just going to declare the input field as string variable. Then I'm just going to declare the So now I'm just going to declare the input text as string variable. And then just going to assign some values. So frame of width is equal to 50. Now I'm going to assign the input text value as string variable. Then I'm just going to declare the input frame equal to frame of cal width equal to 312, height equal to 15, background border equal to 0, highlight background equal to black, highlight color equal to black, highlight thickness equal to 3, and then I just align it at the top. So input frame dot back of side equal to top. Now I'm going to assign the values of input field, entry of input frame, font equal to Arial 18, bold, and then the width equal to 50, background equal to gray shade, that is triple E, and in text variable as input field, input text, in the border is 0, and just align it to right. I just mentioned the input field dot grid of row equal to 0, comma column equal to 0, and then I'm just going to declare the IPAD value, input field dot pack of IPAD equal to 10. So now I'm going to just save and run the program. It just displays the display space, and it's bordered with black. Now I'm going to create the buttons in the calculator using the frame, which includes the number and the operator. Every button displays alike each other. I'm going to declare the buttons framework here. So buttons frame equal to frame of cal width equal to 312, height equal to 272.5, border equal to 0, background equal to black, and the buttons frame dot back function. Here the spaces, the input spaces are assigned in white color, and the button spaces are assigned in black color. Then I just mentioned the numbers in rows and columns in the button format. First, I declare the button 7. First, I just mean Then I'm just going to mention the numbers in rows and columns. First, I'm going to declare the number 7 as a button format. So I just declare the text as 7. The font color is black, width is 10, height is 3, border is 0, background is white, and cursor is hand 2. It just shows the cursor in a hand format, and the command is lambda click, button click of 7. So we will write the function later, and in the grid it should displays in the row 1 column 0 and the padding x and y is 1. Like the same, the next in the row 1 column 1 I just declare the 8th button, in row 1 column 2 I just declare the 9th button, and in row 1 column 3 I just declare the plus button. Now let's move on to the Python IDE to design the first row and first 4 columns. So now I'm just going to write the code for number 7. 7 equal to button of btns underscore frame, comma, text equal to 7, fg equal to black, width equal to 10, height equal to 3, border equal to 0, background equal to white, cursor equal to hand 2, command equal to lambda colon button click of 7 dot grid rows equal to 1, column equal to 0, pad x equal to 1, and pad y equal to 1. Like the same, I'm going to write the 8th number button. So button of btns frame, text equal to 8, color equal to black, width equal to 10, height equal to 3, border equal to 0, background equal to white, cursor equal to and 2, command equal to lambda colon button click of 8, grid row equal to 1, column equal to 1, pad x equal to 1, and pad y equal to 1. I'm just going to type for 9 and the plus button. So now I'm just going to save the values and print the output. It just displays the value of 7, 8, 9 and plus in the button format. Later I'm just going to do the same for other values. So next in the next row I'm just going to print 4, 5, 6. So button btns frame, text equal to 4, fg is equal to black, width is equal to 10, height equal to 3, border equal to 0, background equal to white, cursor equal to hand to, command equal to lambda colon btn click of 4 dot grid rows equal to 1, column equal to 0, pad x equal to 1 and pad y equal to 1. Similarly, I'm just going to do the fifth button, btns frame text equal to 5, fg is equal to black, width equal to 10, height equal to 3, border equal to 0, background equal to white, cursor equal to hand to, command equal to lambda colon btn click of 5 dot grid rows equal to 1, column equal to 1, pad x equal to 1, pad y equal to 1. Similarly, I'm just going to add the value for 6 and the minus. So now I'm just going to save the value and just print the output. So it displays the second row, 4, 5, 6 and the minus elements. Now I'm just going to do the same for the third row, that is 1, 2, 3 and asterisk. 1 is equal to button btns frame text equal to 1, fg is equal to black, width equal to 10, height equal to 3, border equal to 0, background equal to white, cursor equal to hand to, command equal to lambda colon btn of click 1 dot grid row 2 column 0, pad x equal to 1 and pad y equal to 1. And I'm just going to declare the same for button 2. 2 is equal to button btns frame comma text equal to 2, fg is equal to black, width equal to 10, height equal to 3, bd is equal to 0, bg is equal to ff. That's white, cursor equal to hand to, commands equal to lambda colon btn click of 2 dot grid row equal to 2, column equal to 1, pad x equal to 1, pad y equal to 1. Like the same, I'm just going to do it for 3 and multiply 4. I'm just going to print it. It just displays the output of 1, 2, 3 asterisks. In the third row, I'm just going to mention 0, decimal, modulo, and the division. So the first thing is 0 equal to button btns frame text equal to 0, fg is equal to black, width equal to 10, height equal to 3, bd is equal to 0, bg is equal to white, cursor equal to hand 2, command equal to lambda, and btns of click 0 dot grid of row 3, column 0, pad x equal to 1, and pad y equal to 1. Similarly, I'm just going to print the value of point, percentage, and divide. I'm just saving the value and print it. So it just displays the value of 0, decimal, percentage, and the modulo operator. Next, I'm just going to declare the clear button. So clear is equal to button of btns frame text equal to clear, fg is equal to black, width equal to 32, height equal to 3, bd is equal to 0, bg is equal to white, cursor equal to hand 2, command equal to lambda, button clear dot grid of rows equal to 4, column equal to 0, pad x equal to 1, pad y equal to 1. And in addition to this, I just mentioned a term called column span, and as in this 3. And next I'm just going to declare equal button equal to button of btns frame text equal to equal, fg equal to black, with the 10, height equal to 3, bd is equal to 0, bg is equal to white, cursor equal to hand 2, command equal to lambda colon btn of equal dot grid of rows equal to 4 and column equal to 1, pad x equal to 1, pad y equal to 1. I'm just saving it and print it. So it just clearly displays the outline of a calculator. Now we are going to perform the function. That's the perform the operation. So now I'm just going to code it on my Python IDE. First I'm just going to assign the value of expression as empty. Then I'm going to define a button, def button of click item, global expression equal to expression plus str of an item, and it should print the output as the expression data. So in the input text I'm going to set the value of expression. So the second function is I'm just going to equate two values, right? So the equal function is called when we are clicking the equal button. So here it just get the values from the click button. That is, if I just print a value of 7 asterisk 8, when I click the value of 7, it's stored in the expression, and when I click the value of asterisk, it also stored, and then when I click the value of 8, it also stored, and when I just click the equal button, it performs the multiplication operation. Now I'm just going to code the equal function. So def btn equal of equal global expression result equal to str of evaluate the expression and print the output. So input text dot set of expression, and then you have to empty the expression. Now I'm just going to save it, and I just print the value of 7 asterisk 8 equal to, it just provides the output as 56 exactly. And the last function is clear function. So if you want to clear all the values, then you have to use the clear function. When you are clicking the clear button, it will remove all the elements. So here I'm just declaring a button and its expression is empty, and when I just clear everything, the input text, that is the display space, should be empty. So now I'm just going to declare the clear function def button clear function. So here also I just set the expression globally, and I just mentioned the expression as empty variable. Input dot input and text dot set is empty when the output of the program gets empty. Okay, just I'm going to save the code and run it. So when I use 7 plus 9 equal to 16, and if I click on the clear button, it just remove all the data. I hope you have understood how to create a simple calculator GUI in Python using Tkinter. If you want to learn Python from scratch at an affordable price, you can contact Life Changes Academy. We offer a valuable Python course with certification and class videos for every student. 10 lucky subscribers get a chance to attend free classes on their interested field from our courses. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. If you have any doubt, please comment us or mail us. We will reply it as early as possible. Check out our website for more courses and subscribe our YouTube channel for more course updates. Thanks for watching.
Thank you everyone for patiently watching this video. You can get your certificates by filling the feedback form given in the description, which will be available for 72 hours. If this video is useful, share it with your circle and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for next webinar. Happy learning!